The following set of settings is map settings. These aid admins in order to navigation and tracking. The system is enhanced with 3 map providers, namely OpenStreetMap, Yandex.Map, and Google Map. We will review all of them in detail right now. Let's start with OpenStreetMap. OpenStreetMap is the most basic open-to-public map provider. It's not the most reliable map provider due to its charge-free plan, resulting in inaccurate location identification. In order to select OpenStreetMap as a provider, click on the Provider field and select OpenStreetMap from the drop-down menu. Also, pay attention to these features available down below, namely order creation with map and enable map for draft order. If you wish to enable those features, please make sure that the toggle is set to yellow. The next provider is Google Map. This provider is trustworthy, providing sufficient location information and delivery details. In order to select Google Map as a map provider, an admin needs to fill in the fields visible on the screen, namely map key, iOS map key, Android map key, and place API key. In order to do that, we have a separate video guide that will be available on the separate link. Once the data for all the fields has been retrieved, please paste in the information in the following fields and press save. The next provider is Yandex.Map. This map provider is reliable yet costly. If you wish to select this map provider, fill in the fields that are visible on the screen right now, namely map key, iOS map key, Android map key, place API key, distance matrix API key, and geocoding API key. Once the data has been retrieved, please paste it in the following fields and click save.